Hey everyone, anything can happen out there on the road and today's rider is facing some real challenges. So, check this out and ride safe.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save up to £240 for a family of 4. Don't miss out. Book now with Jet2 holidays.
Here we've got a moment where a small misunderstanding ends up teaching a quick but valuable lesson.
You stopped too damn quick. I'm at home, baby! I'm at home!
This rider admitted he made a huge mistake and he's definitely going to take some away from this experience. The biker admitted he was pushing beyond his skill level on a new bike and panicked when a car suddenly appeared. He's taking it as a lesson learned and plans to improve his cornering skills with more practice and some track days.
No way. No way. No way, bro. No. Damn it, man. Felt it scrape.
Yeah, we're good.
Oh, damn.
You good?
Oh, I'm fine, man.
Yeah, we're good, bro. Appreciate it, man.
I'm off. Well, I wanted new fairings anyways.
I bet you that breaks.
This is a perfect example showing how the right gear can make all the difference in a serious crash.
bro? Why you all in my? Why you so close to you? Why you so close, bro? You need to back the or knock you the dude. Why you getting so close to my bike? Get the away from me, bro. I'm not hitting you. Get the you don't ride my beat you and slam your face in this car and beat your get the ride. Get the out of here, man. Like, why are you so close to me? There's no need for that.
Alfred, nie pieszaczki, o tego zbyt.
Blame me.
يا زلمة وين؟ وين يا زلمة؟ تفضل فوت فوت فوت.
Here it comes.
You all right? Yeah. All right. You got it, or you need a hand?
Yeah.